Question: which factor is most likely to improve a borrower's eligibility for a personal loan in the UK? Option A: making late credit card payments. Option B: maintaining a strong credit history with timely repayments. Option C: applying for multiple loans in 1 week. Option D: closing all bank accounts before applying. Correct option is maintaining a strong credit history with timely repayments. Question: what does APR represent on a UK credit card? Option A: annual percentage rate including borrowing costs. Option B: average payment receipt. Option C: automatic payment record. Option D: annual purchase reward. Correct option is annual percentage rate including borrowing costs. Question: which action is most likely to increase the total interest paid on a UK credit card balance? Option A: paying the full statement balance every month. Option B: making payments before the due date. Option C: paying only the minimum payment each month. Option D: using an interest-free promotional period responsibly. Correct option is paying only the minimum payment each month. Question: why might a lender reject a UK loan application even if the applicant has a stable income? Option A: the applicant has a poor credit history. Option B: the applicant owns a mobile phone. Option C: the applicant uses online banking. Option D: the applicant has a debit card. Correct option is the applicant has a poor credit history. Question: what is the primary advantage of transferring an existing UK credit card balance to a card with a 0% promotional offer? Option A: it permanently removes all debt. Option B: it guarantees a higher credit limit. Option C: it can reduce interest costs during the promotional period. Option D: it automatically improves the credit score immediately. Correct option is it can reduce interest costs during the promotional period.